The frog's advice. Once, a fisherman set traps for fish in rivers. One day, in a certain river, many fish got caught in a trap. A snake, seeing the fish trapped in the net, went into the trap himself with the aim of eating the fish. But he was in for a surprise, as the fish got united and bit him everywhere. The snake was deeply wounded. He immediately freed himself from the trap. Now, a frog had observed everything. The snake, seeing the frog observing everything, looked at him and asked, "Did you see the behavior of the fish? Was it justified?" The frog answered, "Yes, it was justified. If you eat the fish when they enter your domain, will the fish not eat you if you enter theirs? Everyone is powerful in his own field." The snake accepted the answer and quietly went away. The king who changed his ways. A king was famous for his wickedness. He tortured his people and used power to control them. The people of his kingdom were very unhappy. One day, as he lay fast asleep, a spirit came to him. It said, "O king, how can you sleep peacefully when the people of your kingdom are unhappy? Your subjects do not love you or respect you. They hate you. If you do not believe me, take a round of your kingdom and find out for yourself." The king was very disturbed the whole night. The next day, he disguised himself and traveled around his kingdom. Wherever he went, people talked about him and his wicked ways. They cursed him. The king was disheartened by all that he heard. He realized that he indeed was a bad king. From that day onwards, he mended his ways and became a kind and generous king. People became very happy. The minister and the king. Once, a king was very lazy. He never worked and spent his entire time resting and sleeping. He never looked into the welfare of the people. The people of his kingdom grew restless because of this. Now, the king had a wise minister. He knew that it would be useless to tell the king to work. So he thought of a different way to motivate the king. He said to the king, "Sir, there was once a tortoise king. He was very lazy and never worked for the betterment of his people. The people were so angry with him that they beat him and drove him away from the kingdom. They then chose a new leader for themselves." The king, having heard the story, became alert and mended his ways. After that day, he became an able ruler. The king's dream. Once, a king saw some terrible dream. He was very upset after this and could not sleep. The next day, he called his royal priest and told him about his dream. The priest told him that the dream was a bad omen. It meant something was about to happen to the king or the kingdom. The king asked him to find a way to avoid this. The priest told him to sacrifice animals to avoid the danger. When the queen heard about the sacrifice, she was not happy. Now, there was a renowned ascetic living in the area. She told the king to ask him the meanings of his dreams. The king agreed and went to the ascetic. The ascetic interpreted all the dreams. The king was satisfied. The ascetic then told him to avoid the unnecessary sacrificing of animals. The king agreed and stopped the sacrifice immediately.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.